Fifth grade. Grammar. This is the grammar topic for this week. Please listen and pay attention.
Welcome back, guys. This is your grammar class. We are going to continue with to and enough. You can use to and enough to have sentences with the same meaning. Look at this girl. She likes playing basketball and she wants to join the school team. She reads, basketball team players should measure at least 150 centimeters. Lucy measures 140 centimeters. She feels sad. Now, let's read the two sentences with the same meaning. The first one says, Lucy can't play basketball because she is too short. The second sentence says, Lucy can't play basketball because she isn't tall enough. In both situations, Lucy can't play because her height is 140 centimeters, and to be part of the team, players should measure at least 150 centimeters. To achieve this type of sentences, you need to work with opposite adjectives, like big and small, short and tall, fast and slow, old and new, thin and thick, ugly and beautiful. Sentences work with to in affirmative form, and enough works in either negative or affirmative. If you have one sentence using to, the other must use enough and should be in negative form. I am going to show you an example of this. This truck is too big to fit in the garage. I have marked in different colors some clue parts of the sentence. In pink appears the verb be, in red the word to, and in yellow the adjective. This sentence is affirmative and is using to. The next sentence must use enough and needs to be negative, using the opposite adjective of big, which is small. The sentence looks like this. This truck isn't small enough to fit in the garage. Now, it's your turn. Mini exercise. Read the sentence and write a new one having the same meaning. Here it is. Read it carefully. The helicopter is flying too low. It could be dangerous. The first thing you need to do is identify the adjective. Do you have it? The adjective is low. Yes, I know. You are thinking that dangerous is also an adjective, but this one is not next to the word to. That means the main adjective is low. Let's forget about dangerous in this sentence. Then, you need to look at the verb be, which is in present. So, all this means that our next sentence should have the following. It needs to be negative. We must use enough. We must use the opposite adjective of low, which is high. Now, with all this information, you're going to write your sentence. I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about your answer before I show it to you. If you need more time to do it, just pause the video. Once you have it, hit the play button again. Here is the answer. The helicopter is not flying high enough. It could be dangerous. You can rewind this video as many times as you wish. Now, let's begin with the exercises. Exercise 1. Identify the adjective in the sentences. Circle it with yellow. This exercise is really easy. Just be sure to read carefully all the sentences before you start circling the adjectives. Exercise 2. match the adjectives with their opposite. In this exercise, you have to write the adjectives next to their opposite in this chart. I have helped you with some of them. Look, cold and warm are opposites, as well as fast and slow, loose and tight, and also messy and tidy. If you have any question about the meaning of these adjectives, click on this link and it will take you to the Oxford Online Dictionary, where you can find more information about them. Exercise 3. Write a sentence with the same meaning as the sentence above. Use the opposite adjectives. Here, you need to write the sentence and use all that was explained before. I am going to help you to answer sentence number 1. Let's read it. This car is too slow for the race. It is affirmative, so the next sentence must be negative. The adjective is slow, so the next sentence must have the opposite adjective, which is fast. And of course, we must use enough. So our answer looks like this. Now I'm going to help you with the number 2. Let's read it. The fridge is too wide to pass through the door. It's affirmative, so the next sentence must be negative. We must use the opposite of wide, which is the adjective, and it is narrow. And of course, we must use enough. So the answer looks like this. Okay? I hope this can help you to answer the next exercises. So now read it and do it yourselves.
Thank you for watching this video. Please stay here and watch the next video.